Very good morning to all of you. Let's start. Next page, page number 18. Topic name is Life Saving Machines from the chapter Young Scientist. As the name suggests that these machines are very helpful in our day-to-day life. So today thousands of lives get saved across the world because of the amazing devices that make diagnose or treat. Diagnose means which are helpful to find out your diseases or find out the problems what your body is facing, and treatment easier and quicker. It means these machines are very helpful in the hospitals or in our day-to-day life just for the treatment and also to diagnose the problem. In fact, modern doctors depend a lot on these life-saving devices. So in these days or in our modern life, doctors are totally dependent on these machines to help the patients for diagnose their problems and also for the treatment. Now start with the first one. Clues are there, pictures are there. With the help of that pictures and with the help of clue box, we will write the correct answer for every question. The first one is in 1895 a German scientist, the name is given Wilhelm Roentgen, discovered X-rays. So you can learn this name. They can ask the question like this: who discovered X-rays? So doctors started using the X-rays within a few months. This machine uses X-ray for internal diagnosis of human body. If any problem is there inside your body, in your bones and anywhere, with the help of X-ray, doctors can easily search out and diagnose it. The name of this is, we all are familiar with it, that name is X-ray machine. Now next one is, this machine purify blood for the patient who cannot normally remove the blood urea through urine because of the kidney failure. So this is a machine, the name of this machine is used and also helpful for the patient those are facing the problem of kidneys. So name of this machine is hemodialysis machine. Now move to the next one, that is, this machine is a large tube shaped magnet. So it looks like a large tube shaped magnet. It uses magnetic waves to get images of the internal organs and calcified tissues. So if you need the images of internal organs, we are using this machine. This is known as MRI machine. We all are familiar with this word. The full form of MRI is magnetic resonance imaging. So you can learn the full form also. They can ask you the what is the full form of MRI. So the name is MRI. Next one, fourth one is, this machine detects hideout cancer cells inside the body by examining the gamma rays emitted from radioactive glucose sample injected into the bloodstream. The name is CT scan. The name for this machine is, it's the last second option in your clue box, that is positron emission tomography machine. So write it in your question number 4. Next, sixth one is, in 1972 British scientist Godfrey Hounsfield developed a computerized tomography, that is CT scanner, that could take pictures of the internal organs of the body. It uses X-ray and a computer to create detailed images of the internal organ of the body. That is, the CT scans are there. So these CT scans are used just to create a detailed image. It means proper picture of your internal organs. The name is CT scan machine. So these all machines are used in the hospitals to diagnose your problem or also take out the internal organs pictures. Next one is, it is used for medical diagnosis to look for the tumor, analyze bone structure or examine the health of fetus. Dr. Carl Theodore of Australia first wrote a paper on this diagnosis in 1942, and Professor Lam Donnell of Scotland developed the application in 1950s. Name of this machine is ultrasound machine, that is ultrasound machine. So complete this page, learn this page. Thank you so much. Have a good day.